today's how-to video is going to be on how to check your oil, and it's mostly pretty common on most vehicles. Some newer vehicles don't have a dipstick, but that sucks if you got one of those. But most common cars do have a dipstick, and we're going to show you how to check it today, and most older cars do. So first thing you want to do is pop your hood. Once you get your hood popped, you want to lift your hood, because that's the next step. Now make sure your engine is cooled off. You can check it hot, but sometimes it's best to check it when it's cooler so you don't get burned, because oil is hot, you know. So yeah, just be safe. And make sure you got it on level ground when you check it, because if it's like this setting or like this setting, you can get a false reading. Now on your dipstick, you got some marks here. You got 4 little dots. And usually you want it right between these 2 little dots right here for full. And you want to clean it off first, and then we check it. And as you can see, if I focus in, this car is a half a quart low on oil. So you will need to put oil in it. If you don't put oil in it, your engine could pretty well spin a bearing, lock up, all kinds of shit, and you'll be out a costly repair. If not, it's probably cheaper to buy a new vehicle than it is to put an engine in. So yeah, always keep a check on your oil. Always best to check it. If you know you got a leak, check it maybe once a week, every 2 weeks. But if you ain't got a leak, it's always best to check it, you know, once a month or every couple of weeks. Just keep a check on your oil. It don't take no time. And as you can see, we are adding a half a quart to it. Very simple to do. Just pour it in the hole. Try not to miss, because if you miss, you need something underneath to catch it, because if it goes on the ground, it's not good for the environment. You don't want to be that guy. Now, once you put your half a quart of oil in, you can give it time to get to the bottom of your oil pan. Just wait a couple seconds, probably about 30 seconds, and check your oil again, and you should be on the full mark. The same way you checked it before, you want to wipe it off and then stick it back in the little hole. Pointy things go in the hole. And then we check it again, and we are on the full mark now. It's that simple to check your oil and top it off. And you can save on costly repairs. Now, thank you for watching this how-to video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and show your support for my channel by smashing that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.